how to create a USA Gmail account. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So head over to Google sign-in page. Let's head over to create a Google account, or you may also directly head over to the sign-in option. Once you are in the sign-in page, what you need to do is simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. So the first thing is you need to enter up your first name and then your last name, your preferred last name, and tap on next. After that, you need to select up the basic information, which is your birth year. So go ahead and do that, your birth date, and after that select your gender and tap on next. Once that is done, select up a username for yourself, whichever you prefer, and after that tap on next in the bottom right. Once you do that, you need to enter up a password that you need to create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And once that is done, you may double check all the details that you've entered and carefully accept and read the terms of the policies and terms of service. After that, just finalize your account and your account should be created. There is no a division on Gmail account based on the basis of country. Like, you don't need to select up a country if you're trying to use a USA Gmail account. All you gotta do is simply go on with the normal process of creating a Gmail account and your account should be created, whether you live in USA or any other part of your country. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.